Subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification bell on so you won't have to miss another video of mine. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new tutorial on how I create the perfect bold scalp, for my wig install. I plan on gluing this wig down. So what I did is use 90% rubbable alcohol, pure alcohol, to clean up any excess oil on my skin. The wig cap that was underneath prior to this very one here is the one I make myself with a satin scarf underneath. I glue it under that wig cap there, and then apply another wig cap on top of it. What I'm putting right now, where I've just discovered this method not long ago, is actually a scalp protector. Is the Walker tape scalp protector. So I've transferred it into that little tub there because it's really thick in consistency and it's hard to get out, so I transfer it into that little tub. So it's usually really help to protect your skin if you glue your wig down. It said it's for said improve the longevity of your wig for oily skin, spots, swimming, hot and humid weather. Well, that is the case. But anyway, it's to stop the glue irritating your scalp. So I lather that on and just blow dry it. This dry really quick. Instead of using your regular got-to-be glue, say goodbye to your wig cap rolling back. This, once you put that scalp protector to lay that wig cap, your wig will not go, that wig cap is not going anywhere. It's not going to roll. So just follow step by step on how I do it. Your cap will not roll back. Normally I struggle when I use got to be glued ultra to do this. So I've discovered that this scalp protector it works as a scalp protector as well as helping to glue down this wig cap. So I'm gonna go on now with the second layer just to dye down any little flake that might have not properly cut off, and also to put some on my scalp, on my own skin. So when I apply the lace, is where it should act as a scalp protector. Hopefully that is what it is. So I just went back in and blow dry it for the second time just to speed the whole thing up, and that's it. I fold the back in. There you have your own perfect bold scalp to apply your wig on. When you get the base right, you will more likely to get your gluing down process also right. So this is just a part one of this. Do stay tuned on how I glue the actual wig down. I have included just a little sneak peek of the actual wig that I'm actually gonna glue down. So do stick around and see how I end up gluing this down. It's my relationship anniversary week, so I went all out. It's all or nothing. So don't miss out on how I glue it down. Okay, I'll see you guys for the next one. Ciao.